What's going on, guys? It's Nick from the Community Chest, and today we've got a super special vlog for you guys. If you guys didn't know already, we're based out here in Kernersville, North Carolina, and we're currently operating out of a small resale shop, but that's all about to change. Today is the day where we are going to move into a 3,000 square foot warehouse in Greensboro, North Carolina. We have been waiting for this day for over 2 years since we started in our flooded basement. Check out this video of what the basement used to look like when we ran our resale operations just over 2 years ago. This is not to brag or anything, but simply to show you that if you put your mind to it, you can really accomplish anything. So this is just the beginning for us, guys. This warehouse is going to be a huge step for our business, but we cannot wait to show you guys what we're about to get into. So today I'm just going to be filming the whole day. We've got a whole bunch of stuff to do. We're going to empty the dump trailer. We got to take a round to recycling. We're also going to shop for some warehouse furniture, as well as I think we're going to be able to give you guys a sneak peek of the warehouse before we fully move in. So stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this one, guys. Alrighty, locked and loaded. Got the dump trailer all hooked up to the truck. Now we just got to disconnect our solar panel charger and we'll be on our way to the dump. We're gonna hit the Burnt Poplar transfer station today. So I'm gonna show you guys that smooth ground in that indoor building. It's my favorite place to dump if it's raining or if it even looks like it's gonna rain. Today we've got a little bit of overcast and it did rain a little bit yesterday. So I'm not even gonna run the risk and go to the landfill. We're just gonna go straight to the dump station so we can smoothly dump with no problems. All right, guys, stay tuned. Here we are, Burnt Poplar landfill. So just over there, that is the big building where we're gonna be able to dump everything, and they take these 18-wheelers right there that you can see, and they just fill them up with the trash to be sorted at a sorting facility. And that's the main difference between a transfer station and a landfill, is that the landfill, they're just gonna throw everything into the ground, but it is a little cheaper. But the transfer station, they're actually going to take it to a sorting facility, and they're gonna try to recycle and get rid of as much out. They're gonna take as much of the landfill out as they can. So it is a little bit more expensive, but I like taking it here, not just because it's easier to dump, but also because I know that the trash that we are dumping is going to be taken care of a little bit better than it would be at the landfill. Do have to pay cash at this dump. I don't really understand why, but the only way to not pay cash at this dump is you have to make an account. And I could make an account, but I have to have over 4 credit references, and I believe I only have 2. So we'll see what happens. All right, so we just got back from the Burnt Poplar transfer station, and now we're gonna take a quick load to the metal. I like to take my metal to OmniSource. Here in North Carolina, you can pretty much take them to either OmniSource or DH Griffin. I've personally never been to DH Griffin. I've just been really happy with OmniSource, and they're right next to my house, so I pretty much go there. I collect some metal at my house sometimes if we got a job that's only got like a 1 washer or 1 dryer, and then I'll collect it until I get a full load for the dump trailer. So that's really worth it when I go there. The most I've ever got was 200 bucks in cash, so I don't think we'll get anywhere near that today. We'll probably be at like 100, maybe 120. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to OmniSource, the best place to recycle your metal. Just got back from the scale the second time, got weighed again, and look what we got in hand. We made some cash, ladies and gentlemen. So I did definitely overestimate what we had. I'll show you the receipt here. Let's see if you can see it, but right there, giving us 70 big ones. So we got $70 cash. Is it worth it to keep that? I think so, because a lot of the times that pays for little things. Nothing major, like I wouldn't even consider it a source of income, but it definitely provides extra little upgrades. Like if I wanted to buy this GoPro Hero 9, for example, most of that cash has just come from recycling metal. We do that maybe once or twice every 2-3 weeks, and we'll get about 100 to 150 bucks extra in our, not necessarily in our pocket, but in our business's pocket, so that we can buy other little upgrades that we wouldn't necessarily be able to afford without having that extra cash. We are here at the warehouse. We got the truck, the U-Haul's in the back. Seba and Dan here, Mason's on the way. Yes, about to unload. This is big, guys. About to show you this freaking awesome warehouse. Check it out. Yes, sir. Just dropped off the U-Haul, waiting for my brother and Dan to come pick me up. In the middle of moving into the warehouse, we actually got a Google job. So we went ahead and knocked that thing out, a quick little $95, I think all it was a mattress and box spring. So I just had my brother and Dan go over there and grab it while I'm returning the U-Haul. So that's it, guys. We made a little bit of money while we were moving in, and over the weekend we're gonna have a huge job. It's actually tomorrow. It's gonna be 3 sheds full clean out, as well as demolishing all 3 sheds. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're even renting a dumpster, as well as using our 16-foot dump trailer. So make sure you guys are watching, stay tuned, and be on the lookout for that next video. Peace out, guys.